Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Fios box keeps glitching. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you should always try is a full restart, because the temporary software glitches are the number one cause of this problem. So in order to fully restart it, you just have to first of all unplug the Fios box from the power. After that, you just have to wait for the 60 seconds. In between, do not just press the remote's power button. You just have to unplug it and wait for 60 seconds. Then this particular waiting time is important because it is going to clear any type of temporary memory errors or system bugs. Now after 60 seconds, simply just plug the box in and give it some time to fully boot. Now, many of the glitches problems disappear after this particular step alone. But in your case, if the issue still persists, you can just simply check the HDMI cable and the TV connection. So if the screen flickers or the visuals glitches, the cable is often the issue. So you just have to check the HDMI cable at both the ends. Make sure that it is firmly connected. You can also try a different HDMI port on your TV. If possible, you can test another HDMI cable. Sometimes the loose or the weak cables frequently cause the display glitches that look like box problems. Now, in the next solution, you just have to check the overheating. So you can try touching the top of the Fios box. If it feels very hot, overheating may be causing the freezes or lags. So make sure that the box has proper airflow. Do not place it inside the closed cabinets. The heat related throttling often causes the random glitches. Now, many of the Fios features depend on the network stability as well. So if the menus lag or channels stutter, you can just simply restart your router. The unstable connections commonly trigger the interface glitches. So you can try these methods and see if it is working properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.